Dr. Philip Pinto was an educationist, a lover of sports, and a philanthropist. He served as the last rector of Liceu Nacional Afastar Moquegua in Goa under the Portuguese regime and was also the first rector of the Lyceum after the liberation of Goa. Dr. Pinto had the distinction of being the first director of education after liberation. Me being a part of the committee of Club Vasco da Gama, we decided that there was a tournament which existed, which was conducted before in the initial years, but had stopped over a period of time. So we decided to revive the tournament in this club, and we decided to give it a new name and sponsor it under Dr. Philip Pinto's name. We have got all Goa major ranking from the Goa Table Tennis Association, and we are proud to announce that this will be an annual event in the Goa Table Tennis calendar. This inaugural edition will be held from 18 September to the 24th September at the Club Vasco da Gama over here. I'm very happy to announce that the Honorable Minister for Town and Country Planning, Mr. Vijay Sardesai, will be the chief guest for the opening ceremony to be held at 4 p.m. on the 18th of September in the club premises. Also, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, has consented to be the chief guest at the award ceremony and the finals and give away the trophies and prizes to the winners on the 24th of September at the club premises at 7:30 p.m. onwards.
For this tournament, there will be three outstanding players who will be participating. One is India number 2, who is the silver medalist last week, Sandesh Mapsekar. He will also be donning India colors for the next international tournament that is being held in Delhi. That's India Open Cadets and Sub-Junior Championship. Also for this tournament will be first tournament in Goa. Tanisi Kirtani will be playing in this tournament. As you know, she has won many international medals, silver medals in Portugal, in Spain, in Egypt, in Iran, she has won. Another international player will be Wesley Rosario, who will also be playing in this tournament.